Hey there, it's Brittany and I'm back with an unboxing video from Bead Temptation on Facebook. I've done several unboxings from there because Pam has wonderful beads, and I did say last year that I did a pre-order. She ordered some shell bead from I think it's the Philippines, and they came in, so I'm so excited. But it looks like there's some other stuff in this box, so I'm so excited. I didn't know she sent anything because I haven't talked to her in a little while, but and I think she said there was a horrible typhoon where she pre-orders from. So it's kind of a tragedy, and her family lives over there. So I'm sending thoughts and good vibes over there for her family. She posted some pictures on Facebook of the typhoon, and it was so sad. But let me get into the things that she sent. So I don't know what's in here. See. Oh my goodness. Some shell stuff. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Well, the first thing that my eye is drawn to are these. What are these? I mean, I know they're shell, but they're like a midnight purple with a little bit of gray and blue in them. I don't think I'm getting good. Oh, see, there you go. That's amazing. Let me get my light up here a little bit. There we go. Do you see that? Those are amazing. They look like, like shell feathers or something. Those are beautiful, and they're huge. And then we've got some little flowers. Cute. Two different, I think they're different styles. Close, they're similar, but they're different. And then we've got some little tiny crosses. Those are teeny tiny. I wonder how you would attach maybe just beading thread to them, or beading wire. They're so teeny tiny. And then some beautiful shell, mother of pearl, like little squares. Those are gorgeous. Beautiful. Thank you, Pam. Thank you. And then there are a couple different packs of beads in here, and this one's so bright and beautiful and bold, perfect for spring and summer coming. I know it's only January, but I got to think about spring and summer. So we've got some beautiful beads. We got some little pearls. Oh, these aren't just pearls. They're like luster coated glass beads. Those are gorgeous. I love that color. It's like a pink coral. Beautiful. We've got some coated faceted glass in a really pretty green, splotchy green. Those are fun. The same pearlized beads, but in blue. That's a nice blue. That's like just blue. And then we've got those pearlized beads in like a green black. Very cool. Black green. More pearlized beads in like a lemony green. It's not quite yellow. It's not quite green. I like that color. I like colors that you don't see too often. And then more painted faceted glass rondelles in black, green, and yellow. That's cool. That kind of reminds me of like sports. Those look like sports colors to me. I don't know why. Maybe like soccer or something like that, or paintball. But I really like that. That is bright. Those look great with these two. Those look great. And then we have some table cut rounds. Those are really neat. I love stuff like this. Matte and shiny. And then we've got some wood charms in monstera leaves in turquoise. Could there be a better leaf? A better wood charm? No, I don't think so. It's turquoise and monstera at the same time. I love it. One of my favorite plants. So fun. Thank you, Pam. Those are really cool. I love those. This whole pack of beads is such a good vibe. We've got like a little sampler mix here. These are cute little flowers. Those are adorable. Oh, they're charms. Okay, I thought they were just flowers, but they're charms. Then we've got like a red plum pearlized bead. Some like etched, oh, those are cute, they're little hearts. And then some little magnesite hearts. Those are cute. Thanks, Pam. Cute little assortment there. Those are cute little etched hearts for Valentine's Day. And then we have some earrings, like earring connectors. So this would be the post. This comes off. It's a protector. And then you would put your charm or your dangle below that. That is gorgeous. I wish I had these when I was selling on Etsy because people would have eaten those up. Really cute. And I love the matte finish on them. Those are so nice. And then a beautiful yellow. That pink is really pretty too. And then a gorgeous yellow. I love that gold in the center. So fun. I'm going to have fun with those. Those are nice spring, like Easter colors. Oh, the Monstera. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I wonder if I can, I probably might have to put a different jump ring or an extra jump ring or two on there, but that would be so cute together. Oh, I love them. Pink and turquoise, my favorite colors. And then we have another baggie here. Let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, it's more shell. Okay, let me clear off the board. The board. The bead mat. Okay, so these are marked at $2.50. And then they're coconut wood. I love coconut wood. It's got a lot of character, I feel like. And look at these Tree of Life pendants. Oh my gosh, and they're 3 different colors. These are $3.85 each in her shop. So we've got a silver. Look at that. It's like it is a Tree of Life, but it almost looks like the tree is shaped into the shape of a person too. That's really cool. Oh yeah, these two are, the gold and the silver have the almost person-like tree. Gosh, these are gorgeous. And then this one is like the huge Tree of Life. And this one's copper. These are so pretty. Let me see what millimeter they are. Just about 30 millimeters. So good size. Those are really beautiful. Thank you, Pam. And then we have, oh my goodness. You know I love hearts. You know I love shell. And the nacre on these is just gorgeous. And these are at $3.50 each because it's hard to make such beautiful shells into hearts. Oh my goodness. Those are stunning. I don't know what I'm going to do with these. I just want to like hoard them, but I know I need to make more jewelry. And then we have some shells. Oh my gosh, I love this type of shell. And they're $5, which I feel like is a really good price for these. And I'm drawing a blank on the name, but I know I've done videos on them before, so I'll put the name right here. These are gorgeous. Oh my gosh, you've seen me use stuff like this in my one double layer necklace. These are gorgeous. Can't wait to use them. And then I have 2 more packs, and we haven't even gotten to the pre-order stuff. My goodness. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I've never seen something like, it just looks like a unicorn. Look how beautiful that is. Is this a cabochon? This is a cabochon. Oh, that's amazing. Now, if you aren't sure how to use a cabochon, for this one I would glue on a glue-on bail to the back, or you could try and drill it, but something this gorgeous I'm not drilling myself. Or you could put it on a filigree. You could glue a jump ring to the back. You could just put it on your desk and admire it. I think maybe I would even put it on something that would help me put it on a big bracelet. Like that would just be such a statement piece. I don't know I could ever take it off because it's so gorgeous. Look at this. Thank you, Pam. This is beautiful. My goodness. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm trying to think like, what am I going to do with that? What could I do with it? All right. And then what's in here? I saw a heart. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And these are $5. Oh, I like how the back feels. I don't know what, maybe it's clay. But look, it's a mosaic shell heart. So pretty. Absolutely stunning. And then there's something else in here. Oh, wow. Yes, the Philippines. Yes, okay, I knew it was the Philippines. Oh my gosh, look at this. So like a brown shell collar. Gorgeous, and it's got 2 holes here. I have to think about what I want to do with this. Absolutely stunning. Thank you, Pam. Oh my gosh, so far my favorite thing was this. I just can't believe how beautiful it is. Not believe it. I could stare at this all day. It's like meditative for me. So now let's kind of clear this off a little bit, and then I will go into my pre-sale order. First thing I'm seeing are these gorgeous blue shell pieces. So it's 6 pieces at $8.50, and I got 2 sets. Yeah, these are super high quality, and I know they seem expensive, but if you go to the stores around, well, at least the bead stores around me, one of these is $3 or $4. I'm not kidding you. They're $3 or $4 each. And when I saw how beautiful these were from Pam, I was like, okay, I got to jump on that. And they're really like, this isn't an everyday. This is really high quality beads. And she had to source these directly from the Philippines. Gorgeous, stunning, beautiful. I love them. These were $2.50 a piece. Very large ovals mosaic. I love like the randomness of the mosaic, and they are beads. Beautiful. These were $7.50. They're purple, purplish, like purple black lip. I don't know if that's a thing, but they're beautiful, oblong, like rectangles. Gorgeous. I would make these like the focal beads on a necklace down to a big pendant. That would actually be really pretty with this, with just separating them with maybe some seed beads, maybe a crystal or 2. That would be really gorgeous. These were $5. These are spiny oyster orange heishi beads. And I don't think I have any spiny oyster, but these are adorable. And it's a very long strand for $5 of spiny oyster. It's hard to get affordable spiny oysters. So these are beautiful. Can't wait to use those. It's a nice orange. I have a lot of ideas for that. Necklace, bracelets, and some for my hoard. And then what are these? Honestly, I don't remember any of these. I'm being so serious. Black Lip Mosaic Strand. They were $12.50. Wow. Wow, look at that. Okay, this at a bead show, I'm not kidding you. This at a bead show would be $40, if not more. I am not even close to kidding you. These are absolutely stunning. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the rainbows coming off of those mosaic pieces. These are gorgeous, Pam. Thank you so much for finding these. And they're double-sided. I'm not kidding you that this would be $40 at least at a bead show. And forget it at a bead shop. Forget it. Like you would get them by the piece at the bead shop. Those are amazing. Amazing. That's why I like shopping small, because they find amazing deals. 3 pieces, $5. I think it was $5 for the 3 pieces. And it is Brown Lip Crackle Focals. Oh my goodness. They're gorgeous. They're it says brown lip, but they're almost that purple of this. So I wonder if this is brown lip too. Yeah, it just says mother of pearl rectangle strand for these, but they're purpley, especially with all those rainbows coming off them. I wish you guys could see these in person because the camera is just not picking up all the fantastic nacre on these. Beautiful. This was, let's see, $1 a pair, and I got 4 pairs. They're white heart pendants. These are cute. They actually remind me of like little guitar picks because they're very thin, but they're sturdy. I mean, they're shell. They're not gonna crack or anything. These are gorgeous, and they got the rainbows hanging out. These would make adorable earrings for I keep wanting to say Thanksgiving, but it's Valentine's Day. Adorable. Cute, cute, cute. I love those. Then we have swirly mother of pearl strand. This was $6.50. Look at that. I love it. Those are some funky beads. Got some swirls, some stripes, cream and beige. I love it. Or white and beige, I should say. These are gorgeous. Those look like art to me, like moving art. I love them. And then last but not least, my goodness, we got a, this was $8, and it was called Brown Dot Rectangle Shell Strand. These are beautiful. They're very hefty. They're like pretty heavy for each one, and they're gorgeous. And I just found this woman on TikTok who takes people shell hunting in Florida. Now I really want to go. And it seems that anything with spots is kind of hard to find. So these are gorgeous. Look at those. They make me so happy. I love that. I would do like a retro, like almost 80s piece with these. Oh my gosh. Okay. So my absolute favorites. This, we all know this. This is my ultimate favorite today. These. And I really like these. I'd have to say these two because they were just so fiery when you turn them that way. My goodness, I loved everything though. I mean, everything's stunning. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out Pam on Facebook. Her group is called Bead Temptations. I will put a link to it below. I'm not sure if her Etsy shop is up and running. I will leave a link to that as well. Let me know what your favorite was, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye.